This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers for your barbecue. First, let's talk about the foundation, your meat. For the juiciest and most flavorful burgers, select ground beef with an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio. You can even ask your butcher to freshly grind it for you. Remember, gentle handling is key. Overworking the meat can result in a tough burger, so mix it minimally. Now, let's shape those perfect patties. Aim for about 3/4 of an inch thick and slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink a bit. A clever trick is to make a small dimple in the center of each patty. This prevents them from puffing up into a ball while cooking. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the grill. It's time to fire up the grill. Preheat it to a medium-high temperature, ideally between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your patties on the hot grates and resist the urge to press them down. For a delicious medium rare, cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, flipping just once. If adding cheese, do so in the final minute for a gooey, melted finish. Finally, let's assemble your barbecue masterpiece. Don't forget to lightly toast your burger buns on the grill. It adds a wonderful texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Lay out a vibrant array of fresh toppings, like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. And of course, have all the classic condiments ready for everyone to customize their perfect burger. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.